You're looking for something a little different for Facebook, something to, stand out from the crowd. Well, rounded edges on your display picture might just do the trick. Hi there, I'm Phil Pallen. I'm a brand strategist in Los Angeles. And today I'm going to show you how to get those sexy rounded edges on your display picture. The best part of all this, you don't have to be a graphic designer or a Photoshop expert to do it. Even though this is normally something I might do in Photoshop, we're going to try something a little different today. Let's get right to it. So I'm going to go to Google and do a search for free photo editor rounded edges. And I'm going to use the first option called Cut My Pic. There are a lot of free editors out there on the web that you can use, but I'm going to use this one. So you're going to scroll down and click Choose File. And then select the display picture you want to use. It's going to have rounded edges. That'll take a minute to upload after you click Go. And now the fun part. You get to cut and customize your picture. If you notice up on the top right, you have two options for rounded corners. I'm going to click the second one, which is more drastic. Scroll down here under Original Pic. Define the area you want to use as your display picture. And click Preview. You're going to see your new display picture with rounded edges. And if you like what you see, you can click Done. And that's going to allow you to see your new picture. I would right-click. Click Save Image As, put it right onto my desktop so I know where to go to upload it onto Facebook. So I'm back here on Facebook where you'll notice my display picture is squared off. So I'm going to click Edit Profile Photo and I'm going to upload a new photo that I saved onto my desktop. Give it a second, and you'll notice it's the new photo, but it still has the squared edges. So what you're going to want to do so those show up is click Edit Profile Picture again, but this time click Edit Thumbnail. And here you want to select Scale to Fit. And that's going to show those little rounded corners. Click Save As, Save Changes, and voila, we have a display picture with rounded corners. If you've got any other questions, feel free to hit me up on Twitter @PhilPallen. Thanks for watching.